don't keep me waiting. I've been waiting all night to get closer, and you already know I got it for ya. You know the vibes, put it on ya. If we're moving too fast, we can slow up. Baby, this far from mediocre. You got the vibes, got the... Hey, thanks so much for checking out this video, and today we're gonna learn how to play Vibez by Zayn. So if you have your ukulele and it's in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A, then let's jump right into this tutorial. Also, there's a chord chart available for this song, and you can find it in my ukulele songbook, which also contains charts for every song that I've taught through this channel. So check it out, link is in the description. So to play Vibez, there's only two chords that we need to know, and those chords are B flat major 7 and C major. If you already know those two chords, then feel free to skip ahead, otherwise let's break down these chords together. So the first chord for this song is B flat major 7. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major 7. And the last chord for the song is C major. To play that, just take your third finger and press down on the first string of the third fret. This is C major. Now we're going to learn the strumming pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, tap, down, pause, tap. Let's play through that strumming pattern now on the B flat major 7 chord. 1, 2, B flat major 7, 2, ready, down strum, down, tap, down, pause, tap, down, tap, down, pause, tap, down, tap, down, pause, tap, down, tap, down, pause, tap. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be B flat major 7 for 2 turns of the strumming pattern, and then C major for another 2 turns of that strumming pattern. Let's put that all together now. 1, 2, B flat major 7, 2, down strum, go. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, C major, switch. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, B flat major 7, go. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, C major, switch. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. And now let's play that string pattern and the chord progression a little bit faster. 1, 2, B flat major 7, 2, down strum, go. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, C major, switch. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, B flat major 7, go. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, C major, switch. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Down, tap, down, pause, tap. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strumming pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Vibez. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Baby, I'ma get you right, I will. When I'm with you, tell me how it feel. Trust me, I'ma make it feel so real. Baby, mind of mine, I'ma do all the things. Type of things that happen in your dreams. Get you right where you need to be. Just don't keep me waiting. I've been waiting all night to get closer, and you already know I got it for ya. You know the vibes, put it on ya. If we're moving too fast, we can slow up. Baby, this far from mediocre. You got the vibes, got the vibes. Now, if you want to play through the rest of the song, then check out my ukulele cover for Vibez. And that's how you play Vibez by Zayn. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial that brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video and for allowing me to showcase my brand new signature uke. It's called the TUC UCU. It's available for purchase worldwide, and if you want to get your hands on this model, then check out the link in my description box below. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You Can Uke community on the Vibez app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today It's completely free and it's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to check out my ukulele songbook, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing because you can uke.